Well, hello as well, Facebook family and YouTube. This is your truly DIY apostle with another episode of cooking. You've seen me do some construction. Now we're trying to mix it up with some cooking. Yes, I love cooking. And I want you to know that no matter what you go through in life, always know that you're too blessed to be stressed. Don't you let it, come on, don't you let it worry you. You know why? Because Philippians 4:13, yes, that is my motto. I can do all things through Christ. So what we have for you today is one of my specialties called, you ready? Are you ready for this? Chicken Alfredo with ranch. Yes. Have you ever had chicken mixed with ranch, the ranch flavor? You're gonna love this one. Well, get right back to you in Jesus' name. Chicken Alfredo. Baked chicken up. Let me make that clarification. Baked chicken Alfredo with ranch. So I want you to know that the ingredients that we're going to use, I've already got my onions and my peppers already chopped up and ready to go. We have, of course, the Prego. Yes, advertising for Prego. Prego roasted garlic Parmesan. All right, so we have the Prego roasted garlic Parmesan. All right, and we have two of those. Also have some chicken seasoning that we're going to put. Chicken seasoning. Of course, you all know I love my black pepper. We have some lemon pepper. Yes, pepper again. Yes. And this is one of the specialties. Ranch. This is it's ranch seasoning. Ranch seasoning. So there you have it. We're going to have all that. And of course we have our chicken. I got my chicken already cut and clean, ready. So we're going to go ahead and season the chicken in the pan. We're going to mix this up and show you how we do this. All right. So what we do, we go ahead and line the chicken up. Don't worry about being even, whatever. Just line the chicken right on up. Make sure your chicken is nice and clean. All right, so we have this. Okay, and now when we do this, we're gonna go ahead and season it. What I like to do, just go ahead and mix this around. Make sure to get seasoned on both sides. Nice mixture of season, pretty much. You can even it, good. If not, because you don't want to put too much on it, because then you're going to get a little bit too much salty, and you don't want that much salt. Because when you put that season, the ranch season on it, it's going to be salty within itself. Okay, so now I'll put that on there, and I'm going to take my onions, peppers, just a little bit, because they're going to be layers. All right, just like so. Properly open. Okay, now The bay leaves basically just want to break it up just a little bit, not much. Boy, I love the smell of it. Awesome smell. Country smell. Sorry, city folks. Back in the day smell. All right, and now we're gonna go with our ranch, and it needs to be opened up as well. Okay. Alrighty, so now go ahead and pour some of that in there, because you want to smell like ranch. You want to taste like ranch. Therefore, baked ranch. So now we're gonna put another layer. I'm gonna take this layer and put it opposite side. Opposite direction. You could do whatever direction you want, but I choose the opposite direction. Laying them out. All right, so now we're going to do this process again. Chicken, season. Chicken season, make sure you have a pretty much amount. Not too much, because you got salt, 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 salt. Pepper, pepper, pepper. You don't want that. I'm putting my lemon pepper on first this time instead of the regular pepper. Then I'm putting the other pepper on. You want it seasoned pretty nice. As much as you can. As much as you like. Some people can't take a lot of seasoning, so don't put a lot of seasoning on it. I do that like this because when you go into the mixture of it, remember the opposite side is there's none on there. So that's why I do that. All right. Here, also put it in there. I know, weird way of doing things, but hey, sometimes we can be weird people, can't we? All right. Oops, that chicken didn't look too good, but anyway, it's still chicken. Somebody will eat it. I will. Oh, incidentally, I know you're seeing some, this fat and a lot of this skin. If you don't like the skin, take it off. Bay leaves. Break them up a little bit. I haven't forgot my other ingredients, my salt. Not my salt, but my onions and my peppers. I just want to make sure I get these bay leaves in there. Just a little bit. All right, that's a good amount. Now I'm gonna take my onions and peppers, give it a little more flavor to this magnificent recipe by the DIY Apostle at your service. All right, and of course here, some of this old I've got my oven already set for 400. No, we're not gonna bake at 400. We'll bring the oven down to 325. But I want my oven up high as I get started. All right. Just spread it on evenly as you can. Now remember, when chicken is cooked, because of the fat in the chicken, it's going to be a little bit on the greasy side so you don't have to worry about too much. It would burn it too much. But what I like to do is what you're about to see in a few minutes is add just a little bit of water. Not much, just to rinse this bottle out. So I got a half a glass of water, half a regular glass of water. Shake it. That's about all the water you're gonna need. And what I'll do, I'll just take it around the edge so we can go in. That helps with the foundation, not burn it too much. All right. And there you go, my friends. My delicious, tasty Alfredo chicken with ranch. So, take that and I'll shake the pan just a little bit. Just to get it from the bottom. Want to get some of this mixture in the bottom part. All right, and I have another jar here because I have some that are missed. All right, so just want to kind of cover it if you can. If you don't have enough, then use what you got, which would be fine and okay. All right, and she goes in the oven again at 325. Sorry, that was the delay. Minutes. It's been DIY. We're going to taste it by and by. In Jesus' name. God bless you, DIY Apostle, at your cooking service, just for you. And there you have it, folks. It is done and ready. And I got the lovely wife about to try a little piece. She's gonna let us know how she likes it.
It's really tender. See all that good seasoning.
Alfredo chicken, baked Alfredo chicken.
Good.
With ranch.
Very good.
I'm about to get me some just in a few minutes. But we're going to take that one to the church. And of course, you know I made some for myself right there. Well, for the family, not just for myself. And there you have it, folks. Enjoy this recipe. You'll like it. Try it. And you'll like it.